Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, we will ask Engineer Wang to show us how to properly thread the PE film for the 4 sides PE film wrapping machine. After put the PE film roll on the shelf, the PE film rotates counterclockwise, and PE films come down to the right side of the roll and move forward in the direction of green line traction. Now, let's see the whole process. If you have any question, please let us know. We love questions. Questions are great that give us ideas for future content. So, if you've got something you want to see me cover, please let me know about it. I'll see you next video.